In our channel today, I want to show you something. First, there is our home, and there is where we usually go to meal. So the sun is really shining. I think I'll keep my camera forward like this. You see less of me because the sun is really shining. So there is our home there, over there. I told you about 7 wonders packaged together. Our village has a lot of wonders, but I'm choosing over there. I have a story to tell, but today I want to tell you about this. The year is 1896. The British sat and decided to build one mega project that will come to be a big wonder, and this is the East Africa Railway. So this is the original railway that was built between 1896 to 1901. This. So this railway was built from Mombasa to this place. This here is Maseno, and actually it was built up to Busia, and so far the railway has undergone major transformation. Right now we have standard gauge railway, but this is the original railway that was built in those years. Actually, why I said this big wonder, during the project almost 2,500 lives were lost due to hostile communities, climatic conditions, wild animals, and one major disease was malaria. So malaria actually was the major cause of many deaths that the workers, especially the Indian workers who are working on this road. So this is the only remaining part of the railway that were built. The rest of the railway that is being used currently is the standard gauge railway that is being used in Kenya. But this one, I think from Naivasha to Busia. This one goes up to Busia. This railway goes to Kisumu, and this way goes up to Busia. So this remains as major because a big wonder in my village, because if it's not going to be removed in the next maybe 20 years, I think it should be a tourist attraction. It should be a tourist attraction, sure. So all my life, when I was a kid, we used to walk through this as we were going down there to fetch water. There was a stream that was going this way. We used to go to bathe down there. But currently the stream is dry. But I think there is some remaining parts that is still has some water, because I usually see people coming this side to take water. Mambo bari nzuri. Habari zenu? Nachukua redi. Asante. Asante. Those are some of our old guys. I respect people who admire what other people are doing. You know, some places you go and they say, "What are you taking?" And one of those guys I know is a police guy, and I don't fear. I'm at home. Anyway, this is Maseno area, and this is my village. Funny thing with my village, this is mapera, guava. It's guava. It grows like in bushes there. You'll find guavas. So like now, it's not the season, but when it's main season, everywhere is guavas.